The sun is barely visible as the research vessel fades into the distance, leaving only the quiet hum of the ocean and the steady rhythm of the waves behind. Beneath the surface, a state-of-the-art underwater research lab awaits, a sleek, high-tech structure built to withstand the pressure of the deep and the test of time. This is a place where the mysteries of the ocean come to life, where scientists live, breathe, and work among the creatures of the deep. As the hatch of the lab closes behind you, the first thing you notice is the steady hum of machinery. Sonar equipment, data monitors, and filtration systems all working in harmony. The lab is designed to be self-sustaining, a mini-world floating in the vastness of the ocean. Inside, it's a world of metal, glass, and technology, but it's also surprisingly comfortable, cozy even. The walls are lined with screens displaying live footage from the deep, sonar maps, and real-time data collected by underwater drones. Your first stop is the observation deck, a circular room with windows stretching all around. Through the thick glass, you can see the pitch-black ocean surrounding the lab. As the light filters through the water, you spot a giant manta ray gliding by, its wings flapping in slow, graceful movements. The view is breathtaking, yet there's a sense of detachment. The creatures you see here, so serene, are alien to you. They belong to a world you can only observe, not touch. After a quick check-in with the team, you're ready for the first experiment of the day. The mission? Monitoring the health of nearby coral reefs. The lab is strategically positioned above one of the most diverse coral ecosystems in the world. Outside, an autonomous drone is about to be launched into the water, its mission to gather data on water temperature, salinity, and current flow. As you watch the drone descend, your colleague, a marine biologist, explains the significance. The reefs are under stress from rising temperatures and ocean acidification, she says. If we can gather data over time, we can track changes and figure out how to help them adapt or regenerate. The drone's high-definition camera feeds live video into the lab, giving everyone a front-row seat to the vibrant coral city below. The scientist adjusts the camera's focus, zooming in on a cluster of sea turtles feeding off the coral. For a brief moment, you forget you're working. The scene is almost surreal, a world so peaceful and untouched, yet fragile. After the drone completes its mission, it returns to the lab with new data. The next task is processing this information. You walk over to the main control room, where a few scientists are analyzing data from the last 24 hours. They're working to map out ocean floor features and identify any anomalies in the ecosystem. The AI system automatically categorizes fish species, detects shifts in water chemistry, and flags areas of concern. As the day progresses, the team performs a series of experiments aimed at understanding marine life behavior in isolation. Some are observing how deep-sea fish react to artificial light, while others are running tests on bioluminescent organisms. The lab has aquatic tanks where live specimens are kept for observation, but here, everything is measured with precision. The highlight of the afternoon is a visit from one of the most impressive pieces of equipment, the robo-arm drone. Designed to reach the ocean floor and collect samples from places no human could access, this drone is a true marvel of engineering. Today, it's retrieving soil samples from a hydrothermal vent, where microbes thrive in extreme heat. The temperature here can rise to 400 degrees, but the robot's delicate instruments are able to safely capture microbial life. The data from this experiment could hold the key to understanding how life could exist on planets like Mars or Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. While the robotic arm does its job, the scientists sit down for a routine meeting. The discussions are practical, reviewing data trends, adjusting the schedules for the next round of experiments, and checking the status of equipment. Even in this high-tech, isolated environment, the pace is almost ritualistic. Each scientist has a role, and everything happens with precision. Later, it's time for the evening dive. One of the submersibles is prepped for a scientific survey of a newly discovered undersea cave. This cave is rumored to contain rare minerals that might explain some unusual patterns of bioluminescence deep in the ocean. With everything set, the submersible's pilot conducts final checks before disappearing into the depths, where it will capture footage of the cave and collect rock samples to bring back to the lab. By the time the pilot returns, the lab is quiet. The team gathers around the large screens, reviewing the footage captured during the dive. There, projected on the wall, is an image of a glowing cave system, shimmering like something from another world. The discovery is groundbreaking, a glimpse into a space where no human has ever been. But a robot has opened the door. As the day winds down, the lab hums with the rhythm of ocean life. You hear the sound of water filtering, the soft clicks of computer keys, and the faint whispers of the deep sea outside. In this quiet, isolated world beneath the waves, the research never stops. The data flows in, the robots keep exploring, and the mysteries of the deep are slowly being unlocked. Tomorrow, you'll dive again, but for now, you look out of the observation deck and wonder, how much is left to discover? The ocean, it seems, will never stop surprising you.